In this section, we're going to talk about idiomatic Go. That just means to use the best practices of the language. We're going to use a fairly artificial example here because there really aren't too many times when you should panic in Go. Let's create a print function that just prints a message, and we will run this program one time just to show that everything is correct about it. This way, when we add in the panic, we'll know it's the panic causing the problem. So we have a panic line. If we run this, sure enough, it panics. And you can see the panic happened in the print function in main on line 11. And we can actually look at the code alongside this, and we'll see line 11 is in fact where the panic is. And the second line here for main.main shows the caller. So main.go line 6, which is here, is what called the print function. So the error will always be the first, and the callers will follow. So let's take a look at our browser for a moment and check out the Go proverbs. And we can see don't panic is one of the Go proverbs. If we click there, it says not to use panic for normal error handling. It gives us a link to effective Go. And if we look at effective Go, it does say that one possible counterexample is during initialization. So if your program can't set itself up, if it can't initialize, it might be reasonable to panic. So let's do a demonstration of that. We'll make a simple web server, and since we're not running as root here and don't have any special privileges, we won't actually be able to secure port 80. So here we have a web server that if we run it, it won't be able to serve any traffic, and there's no reason in this case not to panic. And there's our traceback, and as you can see, we have panicked. Don't do it ever again.